I welcome all of you online classes with AK. In this video we are going to discuss about a present perfect tense. If you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it so you will get latest notification. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense tells us that the action has just been completed and it is connected through its effect or result with the present moment. We generally use the words already, before, for a month, since 1990, etc. Here is a two example. Let people see. I have brought a car. Second example, I have lost my key. Here we will see a short story, then you will better understand about present perfect tense. Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. He has lost his key. By seeing this example, we can understand that present perfect tense is used to express an action that has been recently completed. And here also, Tom has lost his key. He lost it and he still has not got it. So we can say we used present perfect tense expresses an action which was completed in the past, but those effects can be felt at the time of speaking. First of all, we will see the affirmative sentences. Here is a formula. We will follow this formula. Subject plus has have plus verb third form plus other. And we can use this formula in another way. We use he, she, it or name. We will use has verb third form plus other. And with I, we, you, they, we use have plus verb third form plus other. And now we will talk about example. First of all, we will see first example. He has reached Delhi. With the he, we used here has, then verb third form. So our sentence will come, he has reached Delhi. Then second, they have gone to school. Here with the they, we use here have, then verb third form. So our sentence will come, they have gone to school. Here we will discuss about a second point, that is negative sentences. Here is a formula. We will use this formula. Subject plus has have plus not plus verb third form plus other. So here is our example. Mohan has not completed his work. So here we have to use not after has or have. So after has we use here not. Then here verb third form completed. Okay. So here second example, Suman has not written a letter. So we will put simply not after has, then verb third form, then our sentence will come, Suman has not written a letter. Here we will discuss about a next point, that is interrogative sentences. Our formula will come has have plus subject plus verb third form plus other. Look at the first example. Have they gone to Agra? After this sentence, we have to put question marks in interrogative. After the sentence, we have to put question mark, and in the beginning, we have to put has or have. Here we will see the second example. Has she taught in class? First of all, we have to use here as a question form. So the has will come. Then after that subject, then verb third form. Here the thought we use. Then in class, and after the sentence we will use question marks. In interrogative sentences, don't forget to put the question marks at the end of the sentence. Here we will discuss about the last point, that is WH family. We will follow this formula. WH plus has or have plus subject plus verb third form plus other. We will follow this formula and we will look at these example. First of all, we will see the first example. why has you gone to America? Then here first of all we will use WH. Here that why, then after that has or have, then subject, then verb third form, then other. Then after end of the sentence we have to use question marks. Now we will see the second example. When has she come from home? First of all we will use here WH family. So here the when will come, then has, then subject, then verb third form, then other. So here our sentence will come, when has she come from home? Don't be confused. Come, C-O-M-E, it is the third form of the verb. It is my another channel, so please subscribe it also. Channel name is Anvit Guru. And here is some work for you. Rewrite the following sentences, changing verbs from affirmative to negative and interrogative. The government has passed a new law this year. You have played a fair game. The peon has rung the bell. Neha has written an excellent essay. I have done my homework. Change these sentences negative and interrogative.